Stop everything, drop everything. Lady Gaga has a new makeup line, House Laboratories. I just got their PR package. I am going to be doing an unboxing in this video and a full thorough review of these new products by Lady Gaga. I am so excited about this, you guys. I feel like Lady Gaga has a very specific point of view, and I am so into her point of view. I want to see her makeup. I want to try her makeup, and I want to wear her makeup. Oh my god. And if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Maryam. Welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay and decide to subscribe to my channel because we are a fun group. We believe in honest reviews, Team Truth style. Hit that notification bell so you can see all of my videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Let's open up this package and let's get to it. Lady Gaga, House of Laboratories, first impressions, review, tutorial, look. We'll see. We'll see. Where's my scissors? Oh my god. Okay, first thing we have in here is a little card with all the products. Looks like we have a liner, we have some shimmer powder liquid eyeshadows, we have some rest in peace lip liner, some lip glosses, ooh, an armor mask, an armor eye kit. Okay, I'm not ready. Literally, I'm seeing this for the first time with you. Look at this cool PR package. It's a pyramid. This is dope. Inside we have a picture of Gaga. Looking ferocious. Welcome to our house. House Laboratories has been a dream of mine for many years, built on a foundation of love. I founded this artistic creative collective to inspire kindness and self-acceptance through beauty. I want you to love yourself and spread that acceptance to others around the world. Together, we can do this. We believe in creative innovation, high quality formulas, and self-empowerment. Our self-expression tools were designed to inspire you to be brave in your beauty. Together, you and I can walk hand in hand through life and change the world. Love, Lady Gaga. I felt that, you guys. I don't know about you, but that kind of touched me. Product number one, the Armor Face Mask. Ooh. And you guys can probably see this. The camera is not gonna capture it, but this actually looks velvety and it's got some really fine glitters. Very cool, very Gaga. I'm gonna save this one for next month. Next we have House Guest Face Lace Armor Wingtips. Ooh, that is so cool, you guys. These are actual liner tips and they're all different sizes and different shapes too. Like these here are super duper spiky and thin, and the ones on the top are a little bit shorter but thicker. This is cool. I'm not even looking at this first, you guys. I'm showing it to you first. Come on, Gaga. There's my mic. There's my room. Is this the whole collection? I see 6 lip liners. Some of them are a little misplaced. Hold on, Gaga. Let me place it for you. Let me put it in place. I'm not gonna make you look bad, girl. Here we go. And now that I've put my fingerprints all over the mirror, but the products are all in place. Yeah. There was a major premiere of House Laboratories in LA earlier this week. I was invited, I was supposed to go, but I'm actually traveling elsewhere, so I couldn't be there and I couldn't meet Gaga, and I'm so sad. But my friends from House Laboratories promised me that there will be an event in New York, so I am gonna be the first one in line to that event. All right, so now that I'm done hyperventilating, let me actually show you the products and let me tell you a little bit about them. So I've already shown you guys the wingtips together with the eyeliner. This is an eye armor kit. Eyeliner is also sold separately, and it is a matte black liquid eyeliner, spelled eyeliner. It's matter than matte, actually. Flexible felt tip, super fine point, gives you that versatility to create any look from subtle to bold, even the signature Lady Gaga wing. Waterproof matte black liner glides on to any eye shape without tugging or smudging, leaving a blacker than black pigment. Girl, who am I in this video? Now let's do some swatches. Ooh. That's pretty good quality pen. Next we have Glam Liquid Shimmer Powder, highly pigmented, long-wearing liquid eyeshadow in 6 shades. This is what the packaging looks like. Super chic, pyramid on the top, pyramid on the bottom, very cool. Chain Ballerina, Biker, Dynasty, Legend, Rose, bitch, Aphrodite. Next we have Rip Lip Liner, creamy demi-matte, highly pigmented lip pencil. 6 shades, Slayer, Dare, Myth, Ride, Rule, On Point. point, spelled on point the French way. The final thing is the Riot Lip Gloss. Ultra High Shine Multi-Dimensional Lip Gloss. 6 shades. Scream, Entrance, Venus, Corset, Blaze, and Attitude. And that's everything swatched. All right, so now that these shadows have had a chance to dry, ooh, I actually see that they're becoming a little bit more transformative once they dry. Like an actual powder shadow. Did you see how rubbing this black biker shade has actually turned it into a glitter? Wow, this is so unique. That's definitely a formulation that I hadn't really seen before. I am excited to play with these. These are not your traditional liquid shadows like the Stila or the PIXI glitter ones. This is something different. This is actually a powder that goes on in liquid form. I'm gonna need a tutorial on how to use that because I've never played with that liquid to powder eyeshadow formulation before. Now keep in mind, I have no idea how much these products cost at the current moment, but I will, at the end of the video, look up the price list and I will determine whether these products are worth it or not. And now I think I'm ready for a look, you guys. I am ready to play. Can you actually create a whole entire color makeup look with these products? I think you can, and I'm gonna go for it. I am going to start with one of these eyeshadows. I'm gonna pick up Aphrodite, which is a champagne with multicolor pearl. Hopefully there's a mirror somewhere handy. Maybe I can just use this PR package as a mirror. I'm gonna apply this Aphrodite to my inner corner. I have no idea what makeup look I'm going for. I'm just playing with these eyeshadows. I'm gonna blend this one out with my finger. Hopefully it's clean. You just wipe it on my pants because that's what we do here. I'm gonna apply that kind of heavily to the inner corner and I'm gonna blend out this pigment. This eyeshadow definitely blends into a glitter, and although I put on a lot of product, this actually doesn't feel overpowering, and the way that it blends out feels like you can even use this with a brush. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up a clean brush. I'm gonna see if I can diffuse this product. And so far, I really like the way that looks. That honestly looks amazing. I'm gonna use whatever's remaining on my finger and just apply that to my temple because I don't want to waste this product, Gaga. I don't even know how much it costs, but it feels very, very upscale. Next, I'm gonna pick up another shade. Let's do Dynasty. Dynasty is this really beautiful emerald with a multicolor pearl. And I'm gonna apply Dynasty to the outer corner. Just a smidge, because we saw that a smidge is really all you need. Again, I don't think this is one of those products that you can create super defined lines with. Or maybe you can, but feels like this would serve me best as a product that I diffuse, either with my finger or with a brush. I'm gonna layer that over the center here. I guess it all depends on how you use it. Man, I am intrigued. I'm gonna use that same brush. I'm just gonna blend out that green and make it a little bit smokier. This is fun. I'm having fun. I'm gonna layer a little bit more green just so that I have a bit more of a pop of color here. And then I'm gonna blend it out. Honestly, I love the messaging behind this brand. Encouraging kindness and love and support of one another. We need more of that in this world. A lot more of that in this world. What I'm gonna do is pick up that liquid eye liner. I'm gonna draw a line, a wing. And I'm also gonna get creative. I'm gonna thicken that line. I would say this feels like any traditional liquid liner marker that's fresh and brand new. You know what I mean? It's not super duper innovative outside of the cool pyramid on the tip of this cap, but I've used a marker like this before. Loads of brands have this type of eyeliner, but this one's Gaga's. And just because she's Gaga does not mean that Haus Laboratories is immune to my criticism. No, I'm here for the product reviews and for the truth. So this product, although fresh and new, does grip onto the glitters of the previous shadows, and I'd say it's not the ideal marker for this type of graphic liner work. I far prefer something with a brush or something a little bit less markery, just so I can have more of a brush stroke feel. But because this product is new, it's behaving. However, from my makeup experience, I can tell you that this is not the kind of product that you could probably layer over your eyeshadow eyeshadow every single day. What does this look need? I am definitely going to go back to the liner, but first I think I want to play around with some of this black eyeshadow that's called Chain Ballerina. I love that name. I love it. I'm gonna apply that to this corner here just to kind of fill in and make this whole situation look a little bit more ombre, like that. I'm not gonna blend that out because next I'm gonna try out another shade. Duh! This next one that I'm trying is called Biker, and this one is a gunmetal with silver pearl. I am just gonna add a bit of that gunmetal right here and also right here, kind of just like keeping within the lines. This is not a tutorial, this is just me playing Gaga style. Okay, maybe I did not need to blend that out. Let's add a bit more black. Just gonna take a tiny little brush and just diffuse some of these borders. I do want this to be kind of a smooth gradient between the colors. That's kind of cool. Just a little jazz. Do I need any of this yellow gold pearl shade called Legend? Yes, I do. I'm gonna apply that to my inner corner and also to my lower tear duct. And then I think I'm gonna go back to the liner and extend this baby from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. The battery just died and Lee is in the room and we're gonna do a duet.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we... I don't know the lyrics, and I don't want to get a copyright strike.
You're not that good.
I'm on the deep end.
Watches I dive in.
I wanna reach the ground.
I'm sorry, Gaga.
Yeah.
Crash to the surface, where we can hurt us.
I can do the low, hopefully go. In the shallows, in the shallows. Bye.
Alright, back to the makeups. Where is the mascara, Gaga? I need a mascara and I need a lash. Hello. The eye patches are cute. The wingtips are cute. But the lash, the Gaga lash, give it to me. Give me that 3-tier spiky reflective mirrored Gaga lash. Please, I need it. Because I don't have one and I honestly don't know what to do. But I want something like this. That would be kind of epic. Just saying. I think we've made our way to some more eyeshadow products. I really do like this shade Rose Bitch. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of that to my cheek just to see if this would work as a highlighter. I think it does. If you blend it out really quickly, it doesn't actually ruin your foundation at all. And do the same thing on the other side because I really want to utilize all of these products. I don't think I'll get much use out of all the lip liners, but this here is a vibe. I am definitely doing a dark lip. Let's get that Slayer lip liner. And I'm already wearing lip liner. Let's do something like that. That's fun. These lip liners are exceptional quality. Again, I don't know how much these are, but they are feeling very luxe. Very soft, very creamy, very, very extraordinary. I'm actually gonna fill in my entire lip with this product. This looks and feels amazing. And now for the lips, I'm gonna reach for Scream. This one is a burgundy wine shade. Very beautiful. I love a wine gloss. Applicator is kind of unique too. Very, very precise and curved like a claw. Do you see that? That's cool and wicked. Ooh, elle est arrivée. Just gonna apply this Milk Makeup Push waterproof mascara for some of my peeps who might be watching. Yes, and I just realized I want some liner on top because if I'm gonna have a lash, I'm gonna need a little something on top of this lash line. All right, I'm just gonna blend the top line into the abyss of the darkness right here. But you know what? I'm gonna emphasize that zit right there. All right, now I need lashes and I don't have Gaga lashes, so I'm gonna have to pick out some of these. I'm trying to go for the largest pair of Morphe lashes that I have. Ooh, these look kind of big and dramatic. Let's go for a pair that I would never ever wear. We've got Heartbreaker, we've got Temptation. Oh, let's go for Heartbreaker. These are big and they feel kind of Gaga to me. All right, ready to apply these lashes. Cute. All right, you guys, although this look is cute, I am just not satisfied. I want more, so I'm gonna add just some sporadic wings right here. Well, hello. So I decided to jazz up my look just a little bit to make it a little bit more Gaga appropriate. I hope she appreciates my efforts. Honestly, you guys, this is a super cheap Amazon wig for probably like $6. I don't even remember when I got it, but this is the look that I created using the new House Laboratories by Lady Gaga product. And now it's time for the verdict. I am going to pull up the prices. The Haus Labs eyeliner comes at $20 a pop. My response to that is that it's actually exactly what I expected the price to be. So I think for $20, this is pretty reasonable. Although I'm not a huge fan of the marker type liner, as I've stated so many times in so many of my videos, I definitely think that for those of you who are into this type of liner, this is a good liner, and if you love Lady Gaga, then you should just get your hands on it. The next product that I have the price for is the Eye Arbor Kit, which is the liner plus the wingtips, and that comes in at $35. I actually think that's absolutely worth it. I think the eyeliner tips are very Gaga, so if you want to feel connected to the lady, then wear her wingtips. $35 I think is a pretty good price to pay for that combo. The Face Lace Armor Mask #1 comes in at $20, which I think is also reasonable. I once drew something similar to this on my face for Halloween, and it took me nearly 2 hours to draw something that probably wasn't even as complicated as this. So if you want to have a cool looking mask for Halloween or just to feel closer to the Gaga, then this is a pretty decent price to pay. The lip gloss comes at $18 each. Again, very reasonable. The Glam Attack liquid to powder eyeshadow is $20 each, and the Rip lip liner is $16 each. This is actually lower than MAC prices. However, the quality is very similar to MAC Cosmetics, which I think is one of those brands that tends to lean a little bit more dramatic with some of their products. I think these prices are pretty good. They're not super affordable, but then again, this isn't a drugstore brand, and this is Lady Gaga after all. I am kind of here for this line, and I want so much more. First and foremost, I want lashes, and I want a variety of different over-the-top Gaga lashes. I need a minimum of 3 styles. Next time you hear me, Haus Labs, I'm talking to you. I would also like some bullet lipsticks. That would be fantastic. And last but not least, I need a highlighter. I mean, how can I have bare shoulders with no highlighter? That said, I am very, very, very excited for this line, and I cannot wait to continue to see what Lady Gaga brings to the industry. I love her message. I love her image. I love what she stands for. I love her music. I can't wait to meet her. I hope I get to meet her one day. That said, I'm a fan, and I'm gonna continue using these products. So congrats to Haus Laboratories. Congrats to Lady Gaga. This was a pretty awesome first launch, and I'm super excited for the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing and for sticking around until the end. Let's cue in some more videos for you to watch after this one. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon.